Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave, where I have a super quick video for you today to save a lot of money on laundry cleaning supplies this Saturday at Dollar General. But before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit the thumbs up like button and leave me a comment down below. These are super easy ways to help engage with my deal videos and support my work here at LoveLiveSave, so it's greatly appreciated. So let's get started with these amazing deals. For this deal, grab one medium-sized bottle of Gain Fireworks, a small bag of Tide Pods, a Febreze fabric refresher, 2 bottles of Gain dish soap, and one of the smaller sized bottles of Pine Sol cleaner. After all coupons, of course that includes the 5 off at 25 Saturday coupon, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.10 plus tax for a 50% off savings. If your family is a fan of Dawn Power Wash, this is a really good time to stock up while we have that $2 off Dawn Power Wash coupon. That's what we're going to do in this deal. Grab one of the smaller size bags of Tide Pods, a Dawn Power Wash, a Downy Rinse and Refresh, a small bag of Gain Flings, and one of the bottles of Gain Fabric Softener. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.95 plus tax. This is also a really good time to stock up on that Downy Rinse and Refresh. That $3 off coupon really lowers out of pocket. We don't get that coupon very often, so I highly recommend taking advantage of that coupon while we still can. So for this deal, grab one of those Downy Rinse and Refresh, a small bag of Tide Pods, a medium-sized bottle of Gain Fireworks, a Dawn Power Wash, and one of the Airwick plugins. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $10.45 plus tax for an amazing 62% off savings. Here's another great, super easy laundry deal. Grab one bottle of Gain Fabric Softener, a Gain Fireworks, a Downy Rinse and Refresh, a small bottle of Pine Sol, and one of the Febreze plugins. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to $10.90 plus tax for a 58% off savings. I'm telling you, this is an amazing time to stock up on laundry products, and a lot of my fellow couponers that I've been talking with over the last couple weeks, we are all running super low on our laundry supplies. So this is our time to shine. For any of my fellow couponers, especially those who have little ones living in their house, they're always bringing home cooties during the school year. This is our time to stock up on Lysol laundry sanitizer. I absolutely love this product. It is a go-to must in my household, especially with my son that's in preschool, so I really want to stock up. So for this deal, we're going to grab one bottle of Lysol laundry sanitizer, a small bottle of Gain detergent, one of the 5 packs of the Airwick plug-in refills, and then one of the Airwick plugins. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to $11.25 plus tax. Now, I was just talking with my couponing friend Jenny about how I am super low on my True Living Oxy Cleaner. This is an amazing product if you've never tried it. And Jenny really loves the Mr. Cleans. She didn't know that they were on sale for only $3.50. So we are going to stock up on this, Jenny. Grab 2 tubs of the True Living Oxy Cleaners, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Cleaners, a small bag of Gain Flings, and then one of the Febreze fabric refreshers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to just $12.70 plus tax for a 50% off savings. This is an amazing deal, especially when you consider we didn't even have coupons for the Oxy cleaners. I've had some recent requests for some Shout stain remover. I don't know why we never get coupons for it, but like I always tell you, just because we don't have a coupon for something does not mean we still can't score a great deal. So grab 2 bottles of Shout stain removers, 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean cleaners, 1 pack of these specific Bic Soleil razors for $5.50, a Dawn Power Wash, and one of the Febreze plugins. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to $10.95 plus tax, a 61% off savings. See what I'm saying? This is just like the previous deal. Just because you don't have a coupon for something does not mean you still can't score an amazing deal for super low out of pocket. Our next deal is one that I personally wrote for me because I want to stock up on white vinegar. I've been using it with a lot of my cleaning, specifically to substitute fabric softener, and it's a main priority for me for my stockpile over the next couple months. So grab 2 of the gallon-sized bottles of Clover Valley white vinegar, a Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, a medium-sized bottle of Gain Fireworks, and then one of the small bags of Gain Flings. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to just $13.75 plus tax. I was super excited yesterday morning when I woke up and saw we got this $2 off Downy fabric softener coupon because it's a really big bottle, so it's a great time to stock up on it. Grab one of the medium-sized bottles of Downy fabric softener for $10.95, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Cleaners, and then one of these small Downy rinse and refresh. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to $11.90 plus tax. Here's another great deal to stock up on Downy fabric softener. Grab one of those $10.95 bottles of Downy fabric softener, a small bottle of Gain laundry detergent, 2 Mr. Clean Cleaners, and one of the Eric plugins. I'm so in love that they finally came back with that Eric coupon. By the way, I was super missing out on it. I'm leaving the blooper in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.95 plus tax for a 57% off savings. If you're looking for even more couponing deals, make sure you check out the comments down below for information for a 1-week free trial for my $5 a month Patreon membership. You gain access to my complete couponing deals list for this week, and I'm posting the deals list later this evening. I believe I'm going to have at least 100 to 130 couponing deals this week for all the major categories. So if you're interested, make sure you check out the information down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video as always. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of our LoveLiveSave couponing community. I post a lot of deal videos every week to help you maximize your savings, so I'd love to have you here. Also, while you're at it, click the notification bell and turn on all notifications. That way, when I post any of my future deal videos or I do one of my fun couponing after dark live chats, you'll receive a notification and you'll be one of the first people to know about it and you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.